Is your Toyota Highlander constantly dropping your Apple CarPlay connection mid-drive? Statistically, most of these annoying connection drops are just simple cable wear or minor software handshake errors. Let's walk through the diagnostic steps to get your infotainment system back to a stable state. Start with the basics by swapping your cable, cleaning the phone port, and force restarting your iPhone. If the hardware is fine, look at the vehicle side by clearing old Bluetooth profiles or checking for in-tune updates. On your phone, try forgetting the Highlander connection entirely and toggling CarPlay off and back on again. If you still see constant drops, it might indicate a damaged port on the head unit itself. As this chart shows, the vast majority of connectivity issues are resolved by simply replacing your data cable. If all else fails, check your accessory fuses or visit a dealer for a firmware flash. Keep a high-quality certified cable and some compressed air in your glove box for quick maintenance. Remember, reliability is built on the simplest connections, so always check your cable before assuming the worst. If this helped you reconnect, hit that like button and subscribe for more Highlander troubleshooting tips.